Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a price-based vesting contract. Price-based vesting contracts are used to release tokens over time, with a quicker release rate if the token performs well on the market. Once you're logged into the Streamflow application, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Vesting. Once the page loads, click Create New in the top right corner. Now you'll have to choose the type of the vesting contract you want to create. Choose Price-Based and click Continue. In the configuration step, you'll have to set the details for your vesting. First, from the drop-down, choose the token that you want to vest. Next, we have to specify the target token price. Target price determines the vesting duration, which can be capped using the maximum vesting duration setting. The more successful token, the more tokens are unlocked. Duration at target price defines the desired vesting duration if the token's price is equal to or above the target price we have previously specified. Max duration represents the vesting duration after which all of the tokens are unlocked, no matter the price. Unlock schedule determine how often our tokens are going to be released during the vesting period. Based on my current setup, my vesting contract will last 1 month if the token I have chosen reaches the price that is equal or above the price I've set, which is 1 USDC. Or it will last 2 months no matter the price of the token. My tokens will release each week for either 1 or 2 months depending on the targeted token price. For vesting start date, you can keep the switch on, and that will start the contract immediately after creation, or you can also disable the switch and set the start date manually. Who can change the recipient is a preference that lets you choose who will have authority to update the recipient address after the contract is created. The options are only recipient and neither. There are also 2 additional preference options. Cancelable allows you to decide whether you as a creator will be able to cancel the contract at some point after it is created. Keep in mind that canceling the contract after creation will send all the unlocked tokens to the recipient and return the ones that are still locked back to the sender. List for sale option allows you to set the listing details while you are creating the contract, which will place it for sale immediately after the contract is created. After you've configured the vesting and its preferences, you can click Continue in the bottom right. Now, you have to add the recipients for the vesting. You can use Upload CSV if you're planning on having multiple recipients, or you can also add single or multiple recipients manually. While adding the recipient, you'll have to first configure the amount you're vesting and then the wallet address, which will receive the tokens once unlocked. You can choose the recipient from your address book, paste the address manually, or enable Use the Connected Wallet switch, which will set your connected wallet as a recipient. Contract title and recipient email addresses are optional, but can later help your team find contracts seamlessly through the vesting dashboard. Keep in mind that the contract title is publicly visible. After setting the recipients, you can click Continue in the bottom right corner, which will forward you to the review step. At the review step, you can see all the configuration details you've set in the previous steps. At the bottom, you can find the fee breakdown. There is no token fee at all. The service fees are 0.16 SOL fee for creation, 0.25 SOL fee for the automatic withdrawal, 0.13 SOL fee for the price oracle, and a standard network fee paid by the user when creating the vesting. After reviewing all the details and checking the fee breakdown, you can click on Create Vesting in the bottom right corner, which will open your wallet for you to confirm the transaction. After confirming, you'll see the pop-up that says that the contract has been created successfully. From there, you can share the vesting contract on X, create a new one, or view the details for the one just created. On the Details page, you see all the configurations set during the creation process, as well as the unlock graph and data. And that's it on how you can create a price-based vesting contract on Streamflow. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.